Hey, what's up? It's Takuya here. Welcome back to my weekly vlog. I'd like to talk today. I'd like to talk about Inkdrop turning to 6 years old. This is amazing. 6 years ago, I've released the first version of Inkdrop for desktop platforms officially. So this is the first release 6 years ago. It only has the minimum set of features, and it supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, as you can see. So yeah, it's amazing. That I could continue working on it for over 6 years, and the launch was pretty bad. It that article only got 300 views, so it didn't get attraction. It get yeah, but I kept working on improving the app, and I successfully made $1,300 per month profit, which is amazing. So this was the beginning of my journey of the Inkshop project. So it started to make a subsistence money to live in Tokyo. Like it makes 150,000 Japanese yen. In Japanese, it's 15 万円. So this is enough to live, but it's subsistence. But I was so happy to make it. Yeah. And this article explains how I did it. So please check it out if you haven't read it yet. Yeah. So. And now it's 6 years old, so I appreciate it so much. It's not possible. It would have not been possible without your support. I'll write a blog post more about it, and it's December already, so I'd like to write about a wrap for 2022 because I've done a lot of work, like a YouTube channel called Deborah's Life. Yes, the next wrap is what I've done this week, and I've worked on the mobile version 5, and last week I've launched the first beta version, and I've got feedback from Kineji-san, and I've managed to fix them. Here is his report. This one is about a bug where you can't save larger notes. This was due to a bottleneck in saving notes. The app tried to extract the number of tasks in Markdown, but there was a bottleneck on parsing and extracting the task list. Yeah, but I managed to fix it. Yeah, it's great. And the next one was about a Japanese keyboard on Android. So Gboard supports Japanese, and when you input Japanese words, it changes the keyboard height, but the toolbar gets hidden under the keyboard, so you can't use the toolbar. Which is critical for Japanese users, and looks like the keyboard avoiding view, which is the React Native component, it was not working as expected with Japanese keyboard, and I found a workaround and managed to fix it, and it's been working fine for him as well. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you for reporting, Kineji-san. Cool. And next one is the desktop version. There is a serious issue where the version the current version randomly crashes, not only on macOS but also Windows and presumably on Linux. And so here is a topic issue that initially reported by Phil 17 days ago. And we've been discussing about this issue with Dimitri and Alexis. So they have the same issue on version 5.5.2. And I decided to build the app with Electron 21. And I built it 7 days ago. It looks like no crash. Oops. It looks like no crash so far for him. So maybe it's been resolved with Electron 21. So I'm planning to roll it out next week. Yeah. And regarding accounting, I found a promising back office agent through a crowdsourcing service. So I'm trying it right now. And about features implemented this week, I've implemented selecting multiple notes by holding item that I talked last week. Here, so you can select notes by holding item. And this one, so I implemented this feature, so you can perform the batch actions like adding tags, moving notes to another notebook. So it's useful to manage notes. Yeah. And next one is long press to sync from scratch. This is for syncing notes. So you can initiate syncing manually by pressing this button, but sometimes you have to sync from scratch by pressing this button. Long press this button, and you get synchronized notes from scratch. Why this is necessary is that sometimes the checkpoint gets broken out of sync for some time, so for some reason, and so you have to reset the checkpoint, sync checkpoint, so you can sync it again from the beginning. Yeah. So it's sometimes necessary for some people. And yeah, that's it. And next one is a feature about tags. I wanted to support sorting nodes by tags, not tag names, but tag counts. So when you have, for example, you have a lot of nodes with tags, and when you wanna focus on tags, you have to click each tag, which is kind of annoying, right? And I wanted to sort nodes. By tag counts, like so. So you can have a glance at nodes based on tags, which is cool. So it was kind of hard to implement it because so you have to keep supporting other features like workspace views. So I'm happy that I managed to implement it. Yes, that's it. Please join the beta testing on the mobile version 5. I put a link down in the description below. And yeah, please join us. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day.